Hi folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech. So this is going to be a really short video. I came up with a little method last night to minimize your trials and tribulations when trying to sell something on Craigslist. I don't know if you've ever used it. It's a good way to sell stuff, especially locally. You've got all these categories and you can post stuff. So I posted something today. I also posted another ad last night, and that's where I came up with the idea. I always tell people, send me a text message or an email. And this is where the scamming begins. You usually get some sort of weird email, or worse yet, text, where you can tell they've just scanned the top of the ad to pull down this part. And then they say, is it still available? Even though your ad is very specific and says, if cash only, no scammers. Yeah. So, what I've taken up doing, and I don't know why I never thought of this before, the first paragraph says, be absolutely sure to read the ad and follow these security instructions. The end of the advert will be a single word. When sending a text or email, your reply must have that word as the first word in the message. Otherwise, you will be ignored. In other words, bots that scan for phone numbers, etc. need not apply. And then at the very bottom, for this ad I just chose Cubs. So if I get a text that doesn't start out with Cubs and then hi, is this still available? My first thing will be to tell them, go back and read the whole damn ad. Usually that won't happen. So it's that simple. I mean, there's a ton of other tips. One, they'll usually offer you more than you're asking if they're a scammer. Well, right away. This is America. Everyone wants to get a deal. Nobody offers more. They always offer less. This is how life works, folks. I haven't met anyone who wanted to pay more. I just heard my phone go off. That's probably a scammer right now. Well, that's neither here nor there. I just wanted to point this out, how simple this is. Use this paragraph, be absolutely sure to read the entire ad, and follow these security instructions, blah, blah, blah. And then put a single one-line word. Or you could put it in the middle and say, look for the line that has CW colon, CW for code word, space, and the word. It may look random, and honest people may go, what the hell's that? And then when they get to the end, it'll say, by the way, there was a line up above that said CW colon and had a word. Make sure you use that when replying. One, if they're too dumb to read the whole ad, you don't want to deal with them. Two, if they're a scammer or a bot, they'll never see that. And that's all there is to it. And at that point, I'm just going to say, hopefully, this helps you out a little. If everyone did this, well, it'll cut your misery back. You'll still get the crap emails and messages, but you'll already know, starting out, no matter what their reply is, it's horse hooey. That's all.